Kukke Subramanya Temple. This magnificent temple is in Dakshin Kannada district of Karnataka state near Mangalore. Before we reach the temple, a beautiful river welcomes us. Kumaradhara is the name of this river. This river flows around the village which was originally called Kukke Patana and now popularly known as Kukke Subramanya. There are many stories evolved around the river, and according to one myth, Lord Subramanya along with his brother Lord Ganesha came to this place after defeating Taragasura and Sura Padma. He was received by the king of all Devas, Indra. Indra prayed to Lord Subramanya to accept and marry his daughter Devasena. The Lord agreed. In the presence of the great gods Tirumurti, a grand marriage was held here on a Margashira Shuddha Shashti day. Holy waters from several rivers were brought for the Mahabhisheka of Lord Subramanya on this occasion. These waters fell on the sacred Karnataka soil to form a beautiful soul-cleansing river, Kumaradhara. A dip in this holy river is never missed by every devotee before having a darshan in Kukke Subramanya temple. Another story is that after defeating both the Asuras, Lord Subramanya came to this river Kumaradhara to wash the Sakti veil used in the battle. This Sakti veil was given to him by his mother Parvati for the specific purpose of destroying all evil. As this river was used by Lord Subramanya for cleaning the evil blood of the Asuras, a holy dip in this river Kumaradhara is considered the best option for cleansing one's own evil deeds and thoughts, and thus emerging out as a pure soul.
Sada balarupapi vignadrihantri Mahadanti vaktrapi panchasya manya.
Kukke Subramanya temple is situated below the Kumara Parvata hill. By the very side of the hill in the background of the temple Gopuram, one can easily feel a vision of a six-headed cobra with its hood spread stands guard to the temple. According to a myth, sage Kashyapa was living happily with his two wives Katru and Vinata until a day when an argument about horses broke out between the two wives. It was decided that the loser of this argument should become the servant of the other. Thus, Katru, who lost, became a servant of Vinata, who was a mother of serpents. Vinata's son Garuda did not like this arrangement and thus started harassing the snakes. The serpents, headed by Vasuki, came to a cave near Kumaradhara river and prayed to Lord Shiva to save them. Lord Shiva referred this issue to Lord Subramanya. After accepting the prayers of Lord Vasuki, Lord Subramanya decided to guard the snakes. This temple is the place he chose to stay in protection of the snakes. As he holds a banner with a cock symbol, Lord Subramanya is also named here as Kukkada Dwaja Kandasamy. Kukkada means cock, Dwaja means banner, and Kandasamy, of course, means Lord Subramanya. The figure of Lord Subramanya with a six-headed Vasuki with the spread hood above and Sesha below has been worshipped even by Adi Shankara. He had referred this place in his Subramanya Bhujanga Prayata Stotram as Bhaje Kukke Lingam.
मयूराधिरूढम् महावाक्यगूढम्.
Skanda Puranam, in its Sanat Kumara Samhita, has also given importance to this place. A visit to Kukke Subramanya temple in the state of Karnataka would definitely be of great importance in your life too.
महावेदभावम् महादेवबालम् भजे लोकपालम्.